Good morning to one present here. In this video lecture series, we are going to discuss about and topic orthographic and isometric projection in the subject engineering graphics. What is an engineering graphics? It is a 2D representation of the view in a drawing sheet. In this subject, we are already discussed about what is the projection of solids, projection of planes, projection of points. Projection of points is a zero-dimensional object. Whereas in the case of projection of planes, it is a two-dimensional object. The example of three-dimensional object is this object, like hexagonal pyramid or hexagonal cone or pentagonal pyramid, or different types of cones, solids, cubes, etc., cuboids, etc. These are all some of the examples of projection of solids. And then we have also discussed about the section of solids. The section of solids means we need to take one particular solid and then we need to cut the particular solid in a certain angle, and then we need to see the sectional view and then the top view of the object, and then we need to identify the true shape of the object. This is also we are discussed in the class. And the fourth unit is the orthographic and isometric projection. Orthographic projection means that the 3D image is symbolized in the diagram. We need to convert the particular 3-dimensional object into a 2-dimensional object. That means we need to convert the 3D object into front view, top view and side view, and then we need to draw the particular segment in the drawing sheet. This is the orthographic projection. Whereas in the case of isometric projection, it is the exact opposite of orthographic. That means conversion of the 2-dimensional images into a 3-dimensional images. Next we will also going to discuss about the building drawing, civil drawing. There we have discussed about the front view of the building and then the top view and then the sectional view of the diagram. Now we are going to discuss about orthographic and isometric projection.
Good morning everyone. Today my topic is orthographic projection. Orthographic projection is used for 3D object in 2D views. It is used with engineering graphics and engineering drawings and technical skills. It shows an object in different views and different sides.
Obey the principle. In orthographic projection, the projecting lines are parallel to each other. They fall perpendicular to plane of the projection. Because of this, the drawing shows that two dimensions of the object. Two main planes are used: vertical plane, horizontal plane.
Now I will talk about the views in orthographic projection. The main views in orthographic projection are front view, top view and side view. Front view shows the height and width. Top view shows the length and width, and side view shows both height and width. By combining all these views, we can clearly understand the object. In this object, we can clearly understand that this is top view, this is front view, and this is side view. That's all.
As we had already explained, orthographic projection is the one of the view in which the 3-dimensional object can be converted into a 2-dimensional object. That means we can able to draw front view of the particular object and then the top view of the particular object and then the left side or right side view of the particular object. Next, the orthographic projection's advantages, disadvantages will be explained by some other students. Thank you.
Now I am going to tell about types of orthographic projections. There are 4 types of orthographic projections. One is first angle of projection, second angle projection, third angle of projection, fourth angle of projection. And first angle of projection is commonly used in India, where the top view is drawn below the reference line. And third angle of projection is commonly used in US, where top view is drawn above the reference line. Second angle of projection and third angle of projection is not, we can't able to draw any images because images will coincide with each other.
In simple, there are about 4 angle of projection: first angle, second angle, third angle, and fourth angle projection. In the first angle projection, we can able to draw the front view above the reference line and the top view below the reference line. Whereas in the case of third angle of projection, it is exactly opposite to that of the first angle of projection. Here, the top view is drawn above the reference line and the front view is drawn below the reference line. Why we can't able to follow the second angle and fourth angle projection means in second and fourth angle projection, both the front view and the top view coincide with each other. So we can't able to draw the particular front view and top view in the drawing sheet. So whether we can follow the first angle or else we can follow the third angle of projection. Okay.
I am Sumar. Use of orthographic projection is used in mechanical diagrams and building parts, the parts, this engineering of listening.
Now the summary of the video is, now today we are discussed about the definition of orthographic projection and what are all the major differences between orthographic and isometric projection, and also we are discussed about the types of projection, first angle, second angle, third angle and fourth angle projection, and also the uses of an orthographic projection. Thank you.